Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rahat Kazmi. Today, I'd like to present a workshop on how to prepare a CV, or do you have a killer CV? Guys, the objective of this workshop is to make sure that you all are capable of preparing a good CV, which can get you into the jobs, okay, which can probably get your foot on the door to get jobs, okay. So, guys, this workshop is delivered on behalf of Majlis Ulema Europe, okay, and guys, learning objectives for this course or this workshop are, we'll be talking about initially career planning and competitive edge, okay, how a good CV can get you a competitive edge as compared to other candidates applying for similar jobs. And we also will talk about networking for finding the right job, guys, why networking is so important in this day and age, why we need to network and able to land into the right career. And then, guys, we will talk about professional CV do's and don'ts, what thing we should do, what thing we should not do in order to prepare a good CV or in order to prepare a killer CV. And then, guys, after that, we'll be talking about what should be shown to the employers. Show the employers that you're capable of this and that. You can do, this you can't do. Show your skills and everything, show your expertise. So they are impressed by you, and then, of course, from the CV, when they see your skills, and then they will call you for a job interview, okay? And then, guys, finally, we'll be talking about CV structure and format. What kind of structure of CV should be, and what kind of formatting a CV should have, which will be very impressive and which will impress the employers, and you will get the jobs from that CV. So, people, welcome to part one, okay, which is all about introduction. Introduction. This is about the course, what the workshop is all about, and at the same time, okay, and just to give you a bit of an idea about myself, who I am, what my name is. Guys, my name is Sayyid Rahat Kazmi. I actually am an accountant by profession. Have worked in quite a few sectors in the UK, including hospitality, financial services, facilities management, consulting, corporate training, and education. And guys, I actually have proved over the years that my skills are very much transferable. That my skills, which are commercial skills, which are business skills, which are financial skills, I use those same skills in different sectors, different industries, including education. So I've been training people in corporate training in Middle East, Europe, etc. Similarly, I've also been lecturing in various universities in higher education, and I've taught business, finance, accounting from level 2 to level 7. Okay, from the last 11, 12 years. And people, in this slide, you can see some of the companies which the top names in Middle East. For example, Orpik is the top oil and gas company in Oman. I've delivered some courses for Qatar Petroleum, delivered some courses for Kuwait Petroleum. Saudi Fund for Development, SFD, is part of USAID. USAID, and Saudi Arabia is called SFD. Muscat International Airport, guys, I delivered some courses for them. Okay, similarly, guys, Kuwait Oil Company, MEPCO, which was one of the biggest paper company in Saudi Arabia. And then, guys, SABIC basically is basically a subsidiary of Saudi Aramco, which is the biggest chemical company, and it uses Saudi Aramco uses a lot of their services in different oil and gas projects. Okay, so guys, just to give you an idea that why can I deliver this course? How can I help you with this the CV writing skills, and what kind of expertise I would have on preparing a CV? People, listen, I've been working in the UK for the last 33 years, and after being interviewed by more than 3,000 professionals, which will include top recruitment companies, headhunters, hiring managers, CEOs, CFOs, commercial managers, HR directors. Of course, you get some idea about what kind of skills you need to go for interview, what kind of thing you will be asked, what kind of thing you should say to get your foot in the door. People at the same time also been working as hiring manager myself. I have hired a lot of people which reported to me over the years in different sectors. So of course, guys, I knew exactly what kind of questions to ask. Just to give you a bit more of sort of comfort zone, is because I have worked also as a on a contract with Job Center Plus and worked with them and train their senior job center job seekers who were looking for professional jobs. Because I did work for them for a year at least. That was I used to work for their Job Center Plus in Brixton, Wandsworth, and Slough. So trained maybe thousands of job seekers in that 1 year. I think delivered maybe more than 50 courses on employability skills, because that's how putting all this together. So I thought maybe let's prepare a workshop which will help all the youngsters in the Shia and Muslim community. And of course, by all means, you're more than welcome to share this course with your friends, colleagues, family, siblings. Not only in UK, you can share that anywhere in the world wherever the help is needed. Okay, and guys, I'd like to welcome you to part 2 in a few minutes. Okay, and see you very soon there. Okay, take good care. See you soon.